Welcome to Small Aid. This is a 3D printed indicator holder, as you can see. This is my standard indicator. Usually it's being held by this part. The holder is quite nice, I'd rather say. It is very fragile. I know that because I cracked it. But all in all, I'd say that's an okay design. You can't really tighten it with more than finger pressure, and I'm talking finger pressure on the post, not finger pressure on the 90-degree section there. So let me try and take it out. It holds the micrometer quite well, the indicator, sorry. Okay, there it goes out. Kind of fumbling with the camera in one hand, and let's take that off. Goes like that, looks like that. Put that aside. Then the interesting part is here. Now there's the maker, focus please, wisely put a cavity here, which was a pain, by the way, to remove the infill, the holding material, so the top will not collapse in the middle. But as you can see there's a very, let me try and focus the camera, apologies for that. There we go. There's a very, very fine sort of a point that holding the whole thing. So basically there's a line here that snapped. You can't see that, I think. Maybe over here you can. And if I were to redesign this thing, and this is an interesting approach, I think I will, and then I would make this sort of solid and then put a cavity over here for the nut to hold. This is really nice because this way you don't have to sort of secure the nut by hand while you're trying to mess with the whole concept. But you could, just glue with CA glue, whatever, the nut in place. Or just make the cavity very nicely fitting. So then the nut is basically secured this way. So all in all, a very interesting approach, and I kind of like it. Although this 3D printing is sort of whimsy material. Now, it's unfair because this is 20% solid. So, 20% void. So 75% solid. All in all, that being said, I think that's a good model to do, focus please, to do machining basically by designing the system by CAD, testing it in real life on a 3D printed object, and then we could, make it a metal. So that's about it. Sorry for the oddball video. That's like 12 p.m. for me, but I wanted to show you. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you. These are finished. And they're pretty good. Not perfect, but good. And I just sliced the top one, not by saw, but by graphics on the computer, and got this one, which actually does fit. So let's go up. And if I can see, you can see it actually, large fingers, small place. You just position it like that. You can see it fits in the cavity there, and we could actually use it because the, silver-ish material is, the pulley there is exactly the same size, I think, more or less. It didn't measure it. I will. And the larger pulley is a nice addition, so I'm going to have to play with that, see what I can do. So, enough bothering you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day.